How to fix TikTok upload problem. So hello guys and welcome back to another brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok upload problem. So to fix it, it's actually very easy. All what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, go to the network and wireless, go to the Wi-Fi, and then turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again from here, and go back, go to the apps, go to the apps again. Now here wait a few seconds until it show you all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find TikTok and click on it like this. Now here click on the force stop option and then go to this option. It's called power usage details, and then go to the power consumption alert and disable it and enable it again like this. Go to the app launch and make sure that it's on manage automatically. Now go to the data usage, make sure that it's all like this, everything is enabled. Now restart your phone and reopen TikTok. The problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.